Good morning, sir. In today's class, we would like to discuss continuity, guys, and differentiability. Okay, continuity. Sir, you remember one thing, clear idea about continuity, and more number of problems if you do with different types. Okay, finally you will get what total confidence in this topic. So today you try your level best to get maximum confidence in this topic. Okay, now here I'm going to start. So continuity we can define, you know very well that once again you see here at a point x is equal to a, and on an interval a comma b also you can say. What is mean by continuity means, you see here a function, okay, a function f of x is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if this condition should exist, Nana. Limit extends to a f of x. You remember it should exist, Nana. This limit should be exist means it should be a finite value is equal to f of a. Or else I can write like this. Limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. That means LHL this is equal to RHL is equal to functional value. Functional value now. If this is exists, then we can say that it is continuous. And on interval means very simple, Anna. A function, I'll give the examples here, don't worry. The function f of x is said to be continuous on close interval a comma b. First condition, it should be right continuous at x is equal to a. This is called right continuous. And it should be left continuous at x is equal to b. X is equal to b, left continuous. And it should be continuous at x is equal to c. You see here, x is equal to c, where c belongs to open interval a comma b, you can say. These are the three cases. If it satisfies, then you can say that it is continuous on close interval a comma b. So guys, I hope that it is very clear. Anybody have any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, fantastic. Now you see here, Nana, what I said it to you that suppose limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to f of a. If I said this is called left continuous. Okay, limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. This is called right continuous. Okay, guys, left continuous, right continuous, you can say. Left continuous is equal to right continuous, then you can say that then f of x is said to be continuous at x is equal to a and approach. Now you please tell me first, type 1, see here how I am doing the problems. Can you tell, is it continuous graph? Is it continuous on x is equal to r?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Is it continuous? Y is equal to x cube, x belongs
Yes,
to r.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, continue.
Yes, sir.
Is continuous. Okay, is it continuous, guys? Y is equal to mod x?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, it is
No, sir,
continuous.
not.
Continuous.
Continuous but differentiable.
We are not talking about differentiability, not now. Continuity. Only continuity.
Continuous,
Right.
sir.
These are three continuous. Why? Okay. Suppose if I said here like this, Nana. Right? I'm going to take here like this. Is it continuous?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Y is equal to sin x. X belongs to r. Continuous now? Well done, well done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
it is continuous. Now, can you tell about this graph?
Not
Not
continuous.
continuous.
Okay,
Hmm.
this is
X,
called
not
HGN
continuous
of
at x belongs to r minus 0.
HGN of X. Yeah, we can write like this: mod X by X. X is not equal to 0. 0, X is equal to 0. Not continuous. These are what? Continuous. This is not continuous. Not continuous, you can say. Shall I say like this, Nana? What is your answer if I draw like this?
Ever.
Is it continuous?
No.
Discontinuous.
Continuous.
Continuous, sir.
Can you tell about where it is discontinuous? At X
Non-integer.
belongs to
Integers.
integers.
X belong
It
to
is
integers.
discontinuous. Discontinuous. Okay, can you tell about this graph, guys? The name of the graph is what, Nana?
Apex.
Well done, well done, well done, Abrar. And well done, Afan. Right. This is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. These three are what? Discontinuous graphs. These three are what? These four are what? Continuous graph. Graphically, that means you have little idea about graph. What do you say? Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you got it, this idea. Right. Especially
Yes,
in
sir.
continuous, see, Nana, especially in continuity, we have three types of problems. One, whether the given function is continuous or not, that we have to discuss. Second one is, we can find functional value, f of a value. They'll give, if it is continuous, what is the functional value? That is correct. Another one also important, Nana. They'll give continuous function and they'll find out, they'll say that find some constant. Find some constant, they'll say. So these three types of problems we have in continuity. Okay, these three types of problems we have in continuity. So what is that? For example, you see here, very simple problem. This is what type 2 Nana. Type 2 is what? Whether the given function is continuous or not. Given function relatedly we have to talk. Given function is continuous or not. That we have to discuss now. Here I would like to give some different questions. Will you able to tell? This is the question, Nana. First question. See here the function. See this, guys. Simple questions I'm asking you. Please give me the answers, guys. Kaushik Garu, Ria, everybody, please give me the answer. Right? Rahul, Swank Kishore,
Yes, sir.
Rajesh, everybody.
Yes.
Right. Now, tan x by
Yes,
x. X is not equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 1. Okay. At x is equal to 0. Right? Here, at x is equal to 0. Right? F of x is dash. See here, he is asking here, left continuous, right continuous, continuous, etc. So simply you can write like this, Nana, because you know the formula. Because you know the formula, what is the answer, sir? 1.
1.
1.
So that is what f of 1, na? F of 0, na? F of 0, that
Yes,
fellow
sir.
has given. यहाँ पे दिया. F of 0 is equal to 1, he has given. He has given f of 0 is equal to 1. So shall we say that continuous or not?
It is.
Continuous.
Yes, sir. It is a continuous.
Continuous, you can say. Yeah, very
सर
simple
कैसा
question
मालूम
is
पड़ा
it.
कंटिन्यूअस है बोल के?
LH यहाँ पे देखो, लिमिट इज इक्वल टू फंक्शनल वैल्यू हो रहा. अभी बताया था ना, क्या
अच्छा
बताया था
हाँ
यहाँ पे?
बराबर.
ये देखो, लिमिट इज इक्वल टू फंक्शनल वैल्यू, then you can say that it is continuous at x is equal to a.
यस
Or
सर.
LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value, then also you can say that it is continuous. Okay, no problem, no problem, no issue. We'll take another example. Please tell about this. Tell about this one, Nana. The function. See this. Faiza, आप भी देखो. The function f of x. Kushi, Ria, everybody. Very simple, Nana. Be confident and don't leave the class till the end. Sin 3x, sin 5x. Okay, x is not equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 2 by 17 he has given. At x is equal to 0. What do you say about this? Yes? Yes, Rajesh, Rahul, everybody.
F of x limit लिखना है इसको भी.
Okay.
In numerator multiply divide by 2x.
X tan 2x, here sin 3x and sin 5x. So not only that, sir, you can split the limit as many times as you. Yes, you are right, Nana.
3x into 5x
2x,
15x
2x we
square.
multiplied. In the denominator also we have to multiply now. Multiply divide with 3x here. Another one is what? Multiply divide with 5x here. Right, sir? X gone. So what is the answer? 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 5. So 2 by 15 we are getting, which is not equal to f of
नहीं
0,
होता,
right, sir?
continuous नहीं है.
It's
What you can call it
non-continuous,
as?
sir.
Discontinuous. What type of
Discontinuous.
discontinuity that we'll discuss later. First, we'll do some problem based on this, Nana. Whether it is continuous or not, we'll do some problems based on this. Okay, come to the next one. Similar to this, I would like to give here. Okay, you see this one, third one. The function. The function, here I am writing f of x is equal to, this is cos 3x minus cos 4x divided by x into sin 2x, right? And x is not equal to 0, and here he has given f of 0 is equal to 7 by 4, at x is equal to 0 is dash borga. So we are supposed to identify whether the function is continuous or not. Two example, one example is continuous, the other example we got it discontinuous. Now come to this one. What is that? Limit x tends to 0. F of x means directly I am writing here. Cos 3x minus cos 4x, right? Divided by.
Sir, वो formula
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Just know, I think whatever he said that it is
cos
correct.
3x.
Here it is 4x is also there. You see, you can replace sin 2x as what? 2x nana. So that you can write 1 by 2 into limit x tends to 0 cos 3x minus cos 4x divided by x square. That formula is 4 square minus 3 square by 2. A square minus b square by 2 hai na? Gaurav and others. 16 minus 9 by 4. So how much you'll get? 7 by 4. Is it matched with this one? Yes. Therefore, simply you can say that it is continuous. Is it continuous? Aditi garu. Aditi garu, చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. తొందర రియాక్షన్స్ ఉండాలి. సరే, ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చేద్దాం. Yeah, we did it this one. Shall I move on to the next page?
So 1 minute.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. No issue. No issue. You see here. Suppose if I write here, there's a question. I'm taking this question. Now I'm taking this question. Let the function, fifth one, okay. Let a function, you see now, let a function f be defined by f of x is equal to x minus mod x by x for x not equal to 0, right? And f of 0 is equal to 2. Then f is dash. How you are going to do, sir? Anybody have any idea? First of all, you better write for x, Nana. Avoid mod.
Sir, minus x or x plus x.
X is less than equal to 0, it becomes plus. X minus x by x is greater than equal to 0. So that your function is something like this. 2, x is less than equal to 0. 0, x is greater than equal to 0. What do you say? Am I right?
Sir, x is equal to 0. वाला देना.
So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x means 2, sir. limit x tends to 0 plus f of x means 0, sir. So LHL is not equal to RHL. So what? What you can say now? Discontinuous.
Discontinuous.
Discontinuous, you can say. Is it continuous means? Discontinuous. Where it is discontinuous? At x is equal to 0. Except this particular point, is it continuous? Is it continuous? Yes, Golnari. ये greater than 0 नहीं रहता, less than 0 बोल सकते हैं, खाली greater than 0, because 0 is not equal to this. F of 0 is equal to 2 बोल के दिया हमने, less than or equal to लेना, because f of 0 is equal to 2 already has he defined. That's why. So it will be only greater than. It will be less than or equal to 2. ऐसा रहता function. This is 2. And this is what? 0. Open. This is closed. Is it continuous except to 0? Yes. You can say that this is continuous except to 0 also. Is it okay, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Tell about this, Nana. ये देखो यारो, f of x. सर बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ आपको, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना बोल के. e to power of x minus 1 by here e to power of 1 by x minus plus 1. Okay. When x is not equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 also he has given. Then he's asking here, at x is equal to 0, f of x is dash. F of x is dash, he said. So what we are supposed to do, Nana, here? 1 by x is there means LHL, RHL concept you have to use. But x tends to 0 minus e to power of 1 by x minus 1 by e to power of 1 by x plus 1. Be careful, Nana, when I am going to use LHL and RHL concept. 0 minus means from 0 we are removing some positive quantity. Right, like this. So as x tends to 0, h tends to 0. Am I right? Is it clear,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
So I can write here limit x tends to 0. E to power of 1 by 0 minus h minus 1 by e to power of 1 by 0 minus h plus 1. Sir, you know e to power of minus infinity, nare? E to power of minus infinity plus 1. E to power of minus infinity means 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1. Sir, a to the power of minus infinity is always what, Nana? 0. Why? A is greater than 1 रहता, इसलिए 1 by infinity क्या होता रे? Infinity ना, ऐसा लिखा. So the answer is here minus 1. You got it. So LHL is minus 1. This is LHL is minus 1. Now come to the next one, Nana. If you take here RHL, what is that RHL? 0 plus h I have to write. But x tends to 0 means h tends to 0. Do you accept, guys? Shall I write like this? 0 plus h बोल के लिख रहा हूँ यार. Anybody have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Now you see here. Once again I am writing the same step. Limit h tends to 0, e to power of 1 by h minus 1 by e to power of 1 by h plus 1. क्या होता भाई? But h tends to 0, e to power of 1 by h, if you take common, you will get minus h. 1 by h if you take common, 1 by h minus this gone. So 1 minus infinity, 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. How much, sir? 1 you are getting. So RHL is how much, sir? 1. LHL is not equal to RHL. Right, sir? Shall we say that discontinuous?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes,
discontinuous? Yes.
yes.
सर
Discontinuous.
वो आप कॉमन कैसा लिए समझ नहीं आया.
लेने का क्या है? देख, x minus 1 by x plus 1 x कॉमन निकाले तो क्या रहता? ऐसा रहता नहीं रहता?
1 minus 1 by x.
वो
Yes,
भी
sir.
इतना ही है ना यार।
पर इसमें ये 1 माइनस ई पावर -1/x।
ई पावर माइनस बोले तो 1/x होता ना।
हाँ, e to power -1/x बोले तो 1/e to power, ऐसा लिखते ना यार।
हाँ अच्छा सर।
ठीक है,
Yes.
तो ये डिसकंटिन्यूअस बोल के यहाँ पे भी आपको समझ में आ गया। चलो भाई और एक क्वेश्चन लेंगे यार, थोड़े अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं। विल मूव ऑन टू दोस क्वेश्चंस नाउ। लेट अस सी हाउ बेस्ट वी कैन डू इन द केस ऑफ व्हाट कंटिन्यूटी। चलो भाई, सपोज इफ आई गिव यू द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस, कैसा क्वेश्चन है जरा देख के बोलो रे आंसर, जल्दबाजी नहीं करना। नंबर क्वेश्चन का नंबर क्या है? 7 नंबर। सर you see this, if I gave you like this na, f of x is equal to 4 to the power of x minus 1 whole cube divided by sin x by p log, ये क्या होता है? टाइप 2 आ जाता है यहाँ पे। we are finding some constant, okay, we are finding some constant। नहीं तो और एक क्वेश्चन दूं इसमें, एक टाइप 2 के बाद में जाएंगे, थोड़ा और थोड़ा देंगे, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता आपका। ये तो नहीं बढ़ रहा हो। चल भाई और थोड़ा क्वेश्चन बोले तो यहाँ पे और एक दे क्वेश्चन आपको। प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट दिस ना। f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 7 minus x minus pi divided by x minus pi is continuous at x is equal to pi। ऐसा ही पूछता, पूछ के क्या करता मालूम, ये लेवल 2 टाइप 2 बोल सकते रहे अपन उसको।
सर इसको
मतलब
मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई
नहीं,
7
उन्हें
करना।
दे दिया इस कंटिन्यूअस बोल के at x is equal to pi, then he's asking here f of pi is how much। टाइप 2 is finding functional value, finding functional value टाइप 2 आ गया। that means he has given already, if it extends to f of x is equal to उन्हें दे दिया f of pi बोल के, तो ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना। that means you are supposed to evaluate the integral, that's it, cos 7 minus x minus pi divided by x minus pi। Sir, how much you are going to get, sir?
सर 0/0।
Is it 0/0 form is there? 0/0
Yes,
form
sir.
है
Yes.
ना?
यस सर 0/0 फॉर्म।
0/0 फॉर्म रहा तो आप क्या करते, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते?
नहीं मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर सकते 7 से, फिर 1 आ जाता उसको।
नहीं आता, नहीं करे तो ऐसा करना पड़ता, साइन स्क्वायर 7 into x minus pi divided by 2 ऐसा लिखना पड़ता। 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta याद है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
x minus pi by 2 7 ऐसा पूरा लिख के इसको होल स्क्वायर लिखना। यहाँ पे कितना आता है यारो? 7/2 होल स्क्वायर लिखना पड़ेगा। so this is 1, if this is 1 we have 2 into 1 and here 49/4 is there, a2 गया, 49/4 is nothing but f of pi। what's your answer?
49/4।
गलत करें अपन। and if you write like this, here x minus pi is also there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, if x minus pi, वो आप लोग कैच करना, इतना फास्ट रहना यार, जरा भी उधर पलटे तो बस उड़ा देते। यहाँ देखो यार, into 0 है, आंसर इज व्हाट? 0। so f of pi is how much, sir? 0।
0.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
चलिए और एक क्वेश्चन देंगे।
Sir.
राइट, फंक्शनल वैल्यू, हाँ माँ,
सर उसमें 1 माइनस कॉस पावर x/x² फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं कर सकते?
कर सकते हैं, यूज करे तो क्या होता बोले तो, स्क्वायर नहीं है ना वहाँ पे, पाई माइनस एक्स रहता, वो 0 हो जाता
ओके सर।
है ना।
हाँ
राइट? और एक देखिए, फंक्शनल वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के क्वेश्चंस थोड़े है, वो करेंगे अभी, ठीक है? अब सेकंड 8th क्वेश्चन देखो, क्या है? f of x is equal to, we are doing type 2, x to power of, सॉरी अच्छी तरह से देखो रे, 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 to the power of x minus 16 is continuous. Okay, at x is equal to 2, then f of 2 is equal to how much he is asking. Already he has given none, and it is continuous. So f of 2 is nothing but what I can write, sir? Like this. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
हाँ, अभी बोलो यार, इसको कैसा करेंगे? 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 to the power of x minus 16. Can you tell about this? Anything, sir? Anything
Differentiate.
related to this?
Sir, 4 can be written as 2 power 2.
Okay, you are saying that 2 to the power of x into 4, 16. Agree? Right, sir? I'll agree.
अब 16 को 2 power 4 लिखे.
2 power 4. So we got it like this now. Shall we write like this, guys? I want to split the limit. Limit x minus 2 tends to 0. 2 to the power of x minus 2 minus 1 by, here x minus 2 I am multiplying. In the denominator also I would like to split the limit. X minus 2 tends to 0. 4 to the power of x minus 2 by 1 by x minus 2. What do you say? Shall I write here log 2?
Yes, sir.
This is what log 4.
Log 4, yes.
So log 2 by 2 log 2. So your answer is 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful problem. Anybody have any doubt? Juniors, seniors, everybody.
सर एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो ना.
हाँ सर.
16 I have taken common. I have taken 16 common. See, 1 by 16 I'll get here. Actually, I'll get here 2 to the power of x plus 2 by 16. I know very well that. Here 2 to the power of x plus 2 is there already. X plus 2 is there. And 2 to the power of 4. If you write in the numerator, 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 4 will get. Na? That only I wrote here.
Yes, sir.
And here 4 to the power of x divided by 4 square mean 4 to the power of x into 4 to the power of minus 2. 4 to the power of x minus 2 you can write now. That same thing I wrote here. And the formula I have, limit x tends to 0, a to the power of x minus 1 by x is equal to log a formula I have.
सर आगे का समझ गया.
So we can change, and we multiplied here x minus 2 in the numerator and denominator, and we got the result like this. And further simplification, we'll get it here, x 1 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
are trying to find the values. Right, we are trying to find the values. और एक question देखो. Type 2 में और एक question देखो. Sir, today we are doing so many questions on type 1. Nearly 5 to 6 questions in each type. Sometimes it may be more. 3 minus log sin x. Sakshini Garu, can you tell about this? To be continuous. To be continuous at x is equal to 0. You are not given the answer, Sakshini.
Yes, sir.
So what he has given here, let me write one step. F of 0. If it extends to 0, f of x means x into 3 minus log sin x by x. Sakshini, minus 2. What do you say? Three x
Minus x log sin x by x.
minus x log sin x by x. Okay.
Minus 2.
Shall we substitute the limit directly?
Yes, sir.
Seniors, I'm not getting the answer from you guys. Shall I write like this? Limit I can split as many times as I want. 0. 0. यहाँ पे क्या
Zero.
होगा रे? log 1 ना? वो भी 0.
हाँ 1
Minus
होता
2.
Zero है तो -2.
So f of 0 is how much?
-2.
Minus 2. Don't get confusion. Don't get panic. Yeah, you are supposed to get the
तो ऐसे
results.
केसेस में अपन लिमिट भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करे तो आ जाता है.
आ जाता ना. वही है ना. यार दिया मतलब क्या है इसका? इसका मतलब ही वो है ना भाई. Okay. Shall I move on to the next?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometime he may ask a question like this also. Aisa. The value of f of 0. So that, right, f of x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x minus 1 divided by root over x square plus 1 minus 1 is continuous at x is equal to 0. ऐसा भी देखता. So same story ना, nothing to worry. F of 0 is equal to, but extends to 0. What I am supposed to write? Cos square x sin square x minus 1 by root x square plus 1 minus 1. Any idea, guys?
Rationalize denominator.
Very nice. Here numerator, so I write cos 2x minus 1.
Yes,
After
sir.
rationalizing the denominator, I may get in this form. Do you agree, juniors and seniors? All?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do cut gaya.
Yes, sir.
Limit. 1 minute. Limit.
सर आपको न्यूमरेटर में x² + 1 -1 आना. करेक्ट.
If I take minus common, 1 minus cos 2x x square extends to 0. Shall I write here? Limit extends to 0. Minus I am taking common. 1 minus cos 2x x square here. I would like to split the limit. X square plus 1 plus 1. So this answer is what? 2 square by 2 na?
Yes.
Whereas here 0 plus 1 plus 1. So what is your answer?
-4.
So that is 2 square or 2 by 2.
2 square by 2. Here it is 2 z. This and this gone. Left out is 2 square. 4. Minus is there. Minus 4.
Okay.
Okay. Is it okay, sir? Type 2. Finding functional value we are doing. Right? Finding functional value we are doing, sir. Suppose if I ask you the question like this. If f of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by x minus 1. Okay, x is not equal to 1. Right? And if f is continuous at x is equal to 1, then what is f of 1? What is f of 1, sir? Shall I write like this? F of 1 is equal to, limit extends to 1, x to the power of 1 by x minus 1. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now it is in the form of what, Nana? 1 to the power of infinity, na?
Yes, sir.
So I gave you one formula. Do you remember? But x tends to a f of x to the power of g of x is equal to e to the power of limit x tends to a. Do you remember?
F of x minus 1 into g
minus
of
1
x.
into g of x.
Right? It is like this. So using this formula, here I am using e to the power of but x tends to 1, x minus 1 into 1 by x minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened? It is e. दो तो कैंसिल हो जाते ना यार,
Yes, sir.
बचा कुछ भी नहीं है, 1 है, e to the power of 1 is nothing but e. Got it?
Yes, sir.
तो और एक फंक्शनल का और एक क्वेश्चन लेंगे, ये भी 6 हो जाते, then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, now suppose if I gave you the question like this, if f of x, type 3 पे जाएंगे next, 2 minus 256 minus 7x whole to the power of 1 by 8 divided by 5x plus 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5 minus 2. When x is not equal to 0, he has given. Then for f to be continuous, everywhere f of 0 is how much? For f to be continuous everywhere, f of 0 is how much? ये हाथ का पूरा वो तेल लग गया ना. Anybody have anything to say, sir? How to do what?
No, sir.
Okay. Solution. You see here f of 0. Shall I write like this? Limit x tends to 0. Yeah.
256 can be written as 2 power 8.
2 power 8 whole power 1 by 8.
Okay.
Same with 32, 2 power 5.
नहीं सर, वैसा करे तो फिर 7x पीछे छूट
I'll
जाता
take
अकेला.
minus common. No need to worry. 7x minus 256. ये भी रहने दो ऐसे. 1 by 8 minus 256 to the power of 1 by 8. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes sir.
Here 5x plus 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5.
Minus 2, 32 power 1 by 5.
32 power 1 by 5. Awesome. Okay. This can be written as like this. This 2 can be written as 256 to the power of 1 by 8. And this one can be written as 2 here, 2 can be written as 32 to the power of 1 by 5. So what I did here, let me tell you clearly. Remove this all, no problem. Once again, I'll write. I think this is very clear. I have taken minus common here, nothing else. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Here nothing, sir. Just I wrote 2 in the form of 256 to the power of 1 by 8. Here 2 I wrote in the form of 32 to the power of 1 by 5. I added, multiply, divide with what? 7x. Multiply, divide with what? 5x. Ah, 7x is not available now. To use this formula, minus is there. Minus is there. Minus is there. Minus तो रहेगा. Right, minus is there. X to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a is nothing but n a to the power of n minus 1 is a form. So I have taken minus common here, so that minus is there now. No need to worry about it. Minus तो है. Okay, sir. Minus तो है. There is no second thought in that. And here, okay, we need not worry. Previously it was like this now. Previously it was like this. Very simple. Minus 7x. So here also you can take clear idea will get it. You see this same question I'm not checking. 256 minus 7x. No problem, no issue now. It will be like this. Okay. Now here 256 minus 7x. Minus I have taken common here. This minus I want to multiply. This minus I want to multiply here with 7. And here I am adding 256. So minus is not there. And subtracting 256. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
And the same thing I did it in the denominator. So finally, using the formula, I have to write the 1. No. What I'm supposed to write here, please tell me. This 7 by 5 is there. Okay. And what is the formula you have to write here? 1 by 8, 256 to the power of 1 by 8 minus 1. Here 1 by 5, 32 to the power of 1 by 5 minus 1. After simplifying this, you got it as 7 by 64. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा क्वेश्चन बड़ा था, चल गया. चलो यार. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
In type 3, there is a chance to ask about the constant. How? Like this. See, if f r to r defined by f of x 2 sin x minus sin 2x divided by 2x cos x, x not equal to 0. Right? A, x is equal to 0. Okay. Then the value of A so that f of x is continuous. Sir, I'll discuss discontinuity also. Continuous at x is equal to 0. So what you are supposed to say is
LHL is equal to RHL.
functional value is equal to limit, right? F of x. That you can write as when x tends to 0, 2 sin x minus sin 2x divided by 2x cos x. Answer. Shall we take sin 2x common Nana, in the numerator? 2 sin x common. So the left
Yes,
out
sir.
one is 1 minus cos x. Here 2x is there already. One more cos x is there.
2 cancel.
वो भी कर सकते हैं, चलेगा, no problem.
Tan x into 1 minus cos x.
Okay. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x by x. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x. This is 1. This is 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 you are getting, na? But f of 0 is equal to how much he has given? A, na?
Yes, sir. Discontinuous.
So a is equal to 0. No, a value is 0.
Right.
A value is 0, no. We need not worry. A value is 0. और एक क्वेश्चन लिखिए 14th वाला. देखो यार, if f r to r is defined by f of x, right? 1 plus 3x square minus cos 2x divided by x square. X is not equal to 0. K x is equal to 0. Okay, is continuous. At x is equal to 0. Then k is equal to dash is in. So f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. This is given. Right? But f of 0 is equal to k, nana. X
Yes,
tends
sir.
to 0. This can be written as, shall we write like this? Answer. What is the answer? 2 by 2 plus 3. 5 is the answer. K value is 5. Guys, K value
Yes,
is
sir.
5.
Yes, sir.
K value is 5. Very good. Fantastic. Right, sir. K value यहाँ पे आ गया आप लोगों को 5. Now you see this. हाँ, अभी क्वेश्चन देखेंगे और एक क्वेश्चन. Okay. I'll move on to the next. 15th one. Of course, here are some good questions for you guys. Be careful. Anand. Question is given in this way. Anand. Okay. This question is this. F of x. We defined f of x like this. 1 minus sin cube x by 3 cos square x. X is less than pi by 2. RHL, LHL, yeah, I haven't discussed now. Now I'm going to discuss. X is equal to pi by 2. Here Q, 1 minus sin x by 5 minus 2x whole square greater than pi by 2. He said that he is continuous. At x is equal to pi by 2. Then he's asking what is the value of P and Q? What is the value of P and Q is asking. Really interesting. Solution is here. I would like to write like this now. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. Shall I say that this is given? Do you agree? Because he said that continuous.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Sir, I'm getting the answer from Tabriz, not from others. What happened to seniors? 5 by 2 minus means which one I have to take?
1 minus sin.
1 minus sin cube x by 3 cos square x.
Right. And RHL,
Q
Q
into
into
1
Q into 1 minus
Q into
sin x
1
by pi
minus
minus.
sin x by pi minus
x
2x whole
whole
square.
5 minus 2x whole square. Of course, this is P. Another here, question. Sir, here x minus pi by 2 is equal to y if I take as x tends to pi by 2, y tends to
Y
0.
tends to 0.
The same story, x tends to pi by 2 is equal
Y
to
tends to
something,
0.
something y as x tends to pi by 2, y tends to 0. Here plus rather 0 plus minus rather 0 minus. Nothing wrong. So limit y tends to 0, 1 minus sine. Shall I write pi by 2 plus y?
Yes, sir.
Cos pi by 2
Pi by 2
plus
minus y plus y.
whole square. This is LHS I'm writing. LHS. Limit y tends to 0, 1 minus cos cube y by 3 sine square y. Can be written as limit y tends to 0, cos cube y by 3x square, 3y square. So answer is what now? 3 into 1 square by 2 into 3. 1. So 1 by 2 you got it.
By 2.
LHL. RHL also you can get it. Limit y tends to 0 plus q into 1 minus sine pi by 2 plus pi. Here 2 square. Pi by 2 minus pi. Pi by 2 minus x whole square means y square. It's given here like this now. He has given now. So this is x tends to y. Shall I write directly here? So that you people can catch easily. Y tends to 0, q 1 minus sine pi by 2 plus y 4 into y square. यहाँ 2 निकाल देते ना यार, pi by 2 minus x is nothing but y. Y square you are getting. So limit y tends to 0, q 1 minus cos phi by y square by 4. Q by 4, 1 by 2. So your answer is what, Nana?
LHL
LHL,
equal to RHL.
RHL, functional value, P.
P
So
equal to 1 by 2.
LHL value 1 by 2. RHL is Q by 8. So P. So P is equal to 1 by 2 is perfect. And Q is equal to how much, sir? 4.
4.
4.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. I'll do another one. Another good question I'm doing now. Really wonderful it is.
Sir.
Anand.
सर आज जरा बंद ये क्लास यहाँ पर बंद करो ना अभी बहुत लेट हो गया बोल के समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा क्वेश्चन
ठीक है ये रोक देंगे a plus 1 x sin x divided by x. Okay, I'll stop here with this. And that too what we completed 3 methods successfully. Clear? B x to the power of 3 by 2 greater than 0, less than 0. And he has given. And f of 0 is equal to c with here. He is continuous at x equal to 0. Then he is asking a is equal to b is equal to c is equal. Sir, here LHL I am taking. Limit x tends to 0. ये पूरा देखो यार. Sin a plus 1 in x plus sin x divided by x. So shall I write like this? A plus 1 x by a plus 1 into x into a plus 1. Shruti, Aditi, ఎవరు ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
RHL. Okay. RHL is when x tends to 0. Here I am taking x by 2 common. X to the power of 1 by 2 common. So 1 plus bx whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by 2 bx. This is gone. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus bx whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by. I'm adding and subtracting 1 now. Multiplying b. Then 1 plus 1. Correct. So 1 by 2, 1 to the power of 1 by 2. So b should not be 0. Otherwise, this formula does not exist. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
answer what you got? RHL 1 by 2. So guys, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 0. Na? So LHL is a by 2. RHL is 1 by 2.
A equal to 1 by 4. No, 1 by 2 minus 2.
C is equal to 1 by 2. We got it. A is equal to minus 3 by 2. You are getting. Right? What about B? Not equal to 0. Is that clear, sir?